Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to refund a customer in QuickBooks. Here in the sidebar we have new, we're going to click on new. And then when the drop down menu comes, we're going to select refund. And now it has pulled up a refund receipt where we can fill the details. So in order to make a refund receipt, we need to put in the customer name, the email, the billing address to basically fill this form. Of course, there are some things that we need to do and there are some things that are optional. So we're going to go ahead and put in the customer name. Now, since we don't have a customer, we're going to add a new customer. And of course, you're going to skip this step if you already have a customer. And now we filled the form and we have the name Mr. John Rick. And now the email you can put here. Now under payment method, there are options here for us to select. We're going to bring the drop down menu. We have cash, check, debit card, and credit card. Of course, we could select the one that applies to us. Another important box here is the refund form where we'll be selecting where we will be making the refund from. So we will click the drop down menu. You have cash and cash equivalents, allowance for that bad debt and things like that. Of course, we're going to make this under cash and cash equivalent. Of course, this matches with the payment method. And so we're going to put the product and service. We're just going to put the service there and the quantity. And then we're also going to put the rate. So we're going to put it about $15. You might also find this practical to add the message displayed in the refund receipt or the message displayed on the statement, or you can use both. And of course, you can add attachments to this receipt. And then if everything is okay, you can come down to the bottom right corner where you have the big green button. Here you can click on the drop down arrow and then you have save and close, save and send, and save and new. So of course, when you're ready to do this, you can click on save and send. So this is how to refund a customer in QuickBooks.